Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to roll option using Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Robinhood application if you don't have it on your phone. You do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and actually sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that and log into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So here, as you can see, I have a pin that I have to enter. So the second time I actually enter this website, this application, they ask me to set a pin code. So for me, I just set for zeros. I set just for zeros code. So here, that will actually be your home or main screen on the Robinhood application. And you actually, before start using the application, you would like to verify your account and then add some funds to your account to start using the application properly, because if you didn't that, you will not have the all options available on the Robinhood application. So as we said, of course, if you want to roll options, all you need to do is to initiate an option rolled up. The trade can either set up simultaneous, I guess, yeah, it's the word. So sell to close and buy to open, orders to exit and an existing long position while opening a new long position at a higher strike, or set simultaneous, I guess, again, I don't know the word correctly, but anyway. So buy to close and sell to open, orders to exit an existing short position while opening that. Of course, all you can do all of that on the most tracked stocks or even in the cryptocurrencies. So even in the popular ETFs as well. So let me just go and show you here at the most popular stocks. As you can see here, choose whatever you want and do exactly what I said. So as you can see here, you can start investing once your application is approved. So as I said, sell to close and buy to open, simple as that, to roll options. And if you want actually to just a trick to, if you want to roll an option forever, so traders roll option because their value can change dramatically over time. Options are different than stocks because they expire and you can't hold them forever. So they either expire worthless or result in a long slash short position, the underlying security. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.